Introducing the marsupial lion, a terrifying marsupial carnivore that went extinct 30,000 years ago. Middle and high school students can learn all about it through our differentiated curriculum. Students will receive informational text that details the evolutionary history of the marsupial lion, from its appearance in the Eocene Epoch to its extinction in the Pleistocene. They'll learn that this animal was an ambush predator with opposable thumbs, razor-sharp premolars, and dentition similar to modern marsupials. As a part of their study on extinct animals, students will visit the Bone Clones website, compare the skulls and teeth of both modern and extinct marsupials. By comparing the dentition of different species, the truth of evolution reveals itself. We've included a fun cut-and-paste activity where they'll chronicle the major events in the marsupial lion's evolutionary history during the Cenozoic era. Finally, students will learn relationship between predation and starvation, fats, proteins, and the energy resources that drive evolution. And for all students, we've created Think, Pair, Share activities that explore questions like, why did the female marsupial lion prefer to mate with males that displayed extra energy reserves? And how did sex selection drive the evolution of this animal? Purchase this curriculum for your 8th and 9th grade students and make the wonders of evolution come alive.